different contexts, psychology, culture, and fashion and style. And so it's like, as I see you wear, your garments, right? And, I'm going to wear my decadence. In the 60s, that was an era of, people started putting on the dashikis. It was becoming more Afrocentric, especially out here in New York. And it was a more militant time where it was socially charged and people were, politicizing the movement, going against the man and the government, and drugs was in the streets and people was trying to get the heroin out the streets. So there was a time of like unification. There was festivals that was happening. So it was a high time of being black and being proud to be black and proud. And then you had the wave of the 70s, right? The 70s come and it's more of a psychedelic era of experimentation and European fashion, right? And then that's when you got pimping, right? That explodes, and the pimps become symbols of masculinity, right? So a lot of people will point back to, well, look at the 70s on how they dress. Well, do you really want to go point back to a time where we started to decrease our militancy, decrease our unification, and start going to more European fashion, more pimping, which is degradation, right? And we started to lose ourselves, because when we was going towards a more Afrocentric, that was when we were gaining ourselves. That was when we was reaching back and saying that, no, I want to represent the motherland. So I think we got a generation, because we got so much access to information, we are a confused generation, because the clothing companies, the fashion companies, yeah, they want men to wear purses because you go buy more purses.